Today I still want to talk to you guys about this particular company that is bringing out a coin that is called iComex. Okay, now the name of the coin is called iComex. Now this company is not just coming out with a coin, but coming out with a coin that has value, okay, that has stuff that will actually push this coin forward. Okay, so like if you watch the video before this, my previous video, I talked to you guys about some of the project the company is actually rolling out, okay, to push this coin, this iComex coin. Okay, they have like the e-commerce side of their business, and they also have an exchange that they're also pushing, and then they also have forex side of it. Now today, the reason why I'm making this video is just to encourage you to join, to buy a package on this platform, okay, so that you get access to that coin. The coin will actually be going public in July. That should be next month. So the earlier you take advantage of that opportunity now, as soon as they launch, definitely the price is going to go up. So I'm just doing this video to encourage you. You can see people are joining every day. Look at this. These are joining for today, and you can see people joining from Nigeria, India, Germany. People are joining from all over the world. Okay, and let me just give you a brief overview of my dashboard. This is my dashboard. Okay, total. I just withdrew some money 2 days ago, and presently now I still have like $59.9 here, which I can withdraw now if I actually want to withdraw it. I have 13 persons under me. The beauty of the company is this: they are kind of combining network marketing with the coin. So while you wait for the coin to even go public, you can be making money, extra money. Like this money, this is something I can withdraw presently now. Okay, yet the coin has not actually launched, but I can still be making money. Okay, so I actually joined with a good package. I'm just showing everything, like there's nothing to hide. I'm just coming out to show you everything about how the business is done. Presently the coin is worth $0.1 okay. I have presently 2,674.72 iComex coin. This is the value as it is presently. Okay, so I just want you to know that this is something that is actually working, and people are joining from all over the world. So what exactly is stopping you from joining? I just want to encourage you to join today. Okay, there's a link actually below this video which we help you which if you click the link, it will take you to the page where you can actually register. Okay, let me just show you some of the packages they have. Like you see, if you are coming in as a starter, which you start with 40 business points, you have a free e-commerce shop on their website. When it finally launches, you have 250 iComex coin, and you gain 0.25% on a daily basis on your coin. The beauty of the coin at this pre-launch stage, it can never depreciate. Rather, it will be increasing, it will be appreciating. So you see the reason why you have to take up a package presently now. You just have to take up a package now because your coin will keep increasing. If you do this particular, if you buy this coin of 250 iComex coin, which is $50, you will be getting 0.2% daily. Okay, now there's a bronze package which is 70 business points and is worth $100. If you buy this bronze package of $100, you will get 500. Please look at my cursor. You get 500 iComex coin. Okay, now when you get the silver, which is 157 business points, and mind you, you're also getting a forex signal. Okay, don't worry, I'll come to that. I'll actually talk about that. You have a free e-commerce shop on their website. You get 1,250 iComex coin, and you'll be getting 0.25% increment on your coin every day. Now this package of silver actually costs $250. Then the gold package, you get 350 business points. Okay, now you get 2,500 iComex coin. That is huge. And on a daily basis, you'll be getting 0.3% increment on your coin, on the value of this coin, 2,500. You will get 0.3% of it every day, and this costs just $500. Okay, then the platinum, you get 700 business points. Okay, now you get a free e-commerce shop on their website. you get 6 months free in forex signal. I'm going to show you the forex signal. Their forex signal is actually wonderful, close to accurate actually. Now you get 5,000 iCommerce coin when you have this package of 1,000 platinum. Okay, now the diamond, you get 1,400 business points, and you get forex signal for free for 1 good year, 12 months. Like you are not paying anything. Ordinarily 1 month costs $99, but if you come in with this package of diamond, you'll be getting the signal for free for good 1 year. Then you get a free e-commerce shop on their website, and you get 10,000 iCommerce coin. You can imagine what this will worth for you as soon as the coin goes public and people begin to buy, the price begins to go up. Now they are saying that is not enough. You should be getting 0.4% of the value of 10,000 iCommerce coin on a daily basis, and this costs just $2,000. So I would encourage you to actually pick a package here and join this program. Get the coin. You and I know that the future, even now, okay, life is all about everybody is going into crypto, and crypto is the current global currency now. So what is stopping you of taking advantage of the global current currency? Now you and I, okay, somehow we miss Bitcoin. Probably you didn't buy Bitcoin when it first launched, when the price was very, very affordable. But how about this iCommerce that is about to launch? Now why not take advantage of it? You and I, you probably must have heard about Ethereum, BNB. They all started like this. Some persons ignore them, but today look at their price. BNB is almost $400 per one, per BNB today. Look at the price of Bitcoin. Though it's fluctuating, at a point it got to 64,000. Okay, so take advantage of this thing presently as it is now, so that tomorrow you smile for it. Tomorrow you'll be happy you took the right decision. Okay, there's a link below this video. Just click the link below this video and it will take you to where you register. When you register, you also get to this kind of you now have this kind of platform. Okay, let me just show you about the forex signal I talked about earlier on. The forex signal is so wonderful that I take the signals, and every day I make extra money aside my coin. Okay, look at the signal they've been sending since the beginning of today. Just 33 minutes ago, they are telling you to buy GBP USD. Buy it. They are saying buy it. They'll give you the entry time, 15 minutes. They are telling you that they took this trade based on 15 minutes time frame. This is the entry price. This is the stop loss. This is the take profit. They give you everything. They are telling you USD JPY. They are telling you to buy it. Look at all those signals. Okay, this one came in an hour ago, 4 hours ago, 7 hours ago. That is since the beginning of today. They've given like 7 to 8 signals already. And aside that signals, you also have, if you want to learn about forex, you and I know that forex is one of the biggest avenue by which people are making money today. If you want to learn about forex, that you don't know much about forex, they are telling you that they have all the resources you need here to actually learn about forex. Look at books that you can read about crypto. You can learn advanced. These are advanced ebook. If you are good, somebody like me, I like watching videos to understand better. They have video courses for crypto and for forex. Okay, they have all the resources that you need for you to actually make money in this 21st century. Okay, we are in a digital age, so take advantage of the present opportunity that is available unto you. Okay, there are so many ways for you to. We actually have up to like 10 different ways that you can earn on ICX. There are like 10 different channels that you can earn on ICX. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. I just want to encourage you, like, you should just take advantage of this opportunity now. And aside that, when you ask your friends and relatives to actually join, you still make money. Okay, it's like, oh, I'm enjoying something somewhere. Here, my friend or my relative, can you come and join me? Okay, when you invite them, you actually make money. Like you can see, when you bring in somebody to pick a package on this platform, you get 10% of whichever platform or whichever package they come in with. So you make extra money aside your coin that is there growing. You still make extra money. Okay, so if you've not watched the video I made before this, just go to my channel. You see the video I made before this, and you'll get more understanding about what I'm saying. but as it is, I think it's even very, very open, and that's why I had to show you my dashboard so that you see everything for yourself. So I will encourage you, just click the link below this video now so that you can register and take advantage of it now. Take advantage, don't procrastinate, take advantage. People are joining from all over the world, okay? And I tell you this, they are all going to be happy that they took this decision, okay? So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video that I'll be making, okay? Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? Just subscribe to the channel so when next I post a video, you'll be the first to actually get to see the video, okay? Bye bye. Cheers.